Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host, and as usual in the host mode, Mohit Jain. Today, we would be taking up few sample questions which are actually on the lines of question asked at, you can say, you will find these kind of similar kind of question, not exactly these question obviously. We don't know that what they will ask, but these kind of questions are regularly asked as examination of Cognizant, examination of Mphasis, and if you are writing any examination conducted by AMCAT Global or Aspiring Minds platform, or maybe at Wipro also. So this session will help you out with these three companies' numerical quantitative ability or numerical ability, what they say. So in today's session, I would be focusing majorly on Cognizant, CTS. The pattern is very simple. They have divided it into three parts. After that is also coding or no coding, that I am not sure about. But these are the three sections they ask questions from. Quantitative ability, advanced 25 questions which we need to answer in 35 minutes. Logical ability, 24 questions which we again need to answer in 35 minutes. And English comprehensions are 25 questions for which 25 minutes is given. Now the drill is very simple. They will give you one question, you need to answer, and then only you can move further to the next question. This is number one. Number two, no on-screen calculator is there, no writing pads are there. So be sure about your calculation techniques. You should work on that. And number three is you can't revisit the question, obviously. The total time given is for the section. There is no time attached with one particular question. 35 minutes would be the sectional timing. So in 35 minutes, you need to answer these 25 questions. Question will come one by one. You can't revisit the question. There is no negative marks, no on-screen calculator, no writing pads. So work out accordingly. In this particular session, I would be taking up at least 25 odd questions, which you might find when you would be writing a CTS, Wipro or Mphasis examination, but I'm not too sure about that. But these kind of questions are regularly asked. And drill is simple. A question will be there on the screen. Try to solve it yourself, and then we'll look out for the solution. So on this note, let's start now. Okay, the first one on the screen, and the very popular topic from which they often ask questions are permutation, combination, probability. If there are 25 questions, you might find like 3 to 4 questions are from probability and permutation combination. All are very simple on the basis of PC and probability line. Let's read this. In a cards game, each person is dealt 3 cards from a deck of 52 cards. And a player is said to have a winning deck if and only if he or she has an ace, king and queen. He should have A, K and Q in his or her hand, irrespective of the color of sign. Whatever color it may be, we have got two colors, red and black. It can be anything, or it can be any sign. Either it is diamond, hearts, clubs or spades. What is the total possible number of winning decks for this card game by Sakshi, one of the player? Now, we know that each of these A, K, Q, we have got 4 cards each. So if Sakshi needs to win, she should have one ace that she can have in 4C1 ways, and a king also, that also in 4C1 ways she can have, and a queen that also she can have in 4C1 ways. So the total number of winning combinations with which Sakshi can win is 4C1 is 4 into 4, that is 64 cases. Option C fits in. The next sample question is on your screen, and they are also like, they love giving simplification question, be it algebraic identities or arithmetic BODMAS rule simplification. This is simply x and y value is given. We need to find the value of x plus y upon mod x minus y. Okay. First of all, what is x plus y? 3 by 5 plus 8 by 11. LCM would be 55. 3 into 11 is 33. 8 5 is 40. So this is 73 by 55. Now x minus y, 3 by 5 minus 8 by 11. That would be 33 minus 40 by 55. Since it is mod, let us write this as 7 by 55. So x plus y upon x minus y would be 73 by 7. And 73 by 7 we don't have in any option. It is none of the above. Answer should be 73 by 7. Okay, let's see this. Ayushri is supposed to find 80% of a number, but by mistake she calculated 125% of the number, and thus the answer obtained is 81 more than the correct answer. Now we need to first find the value of x, then only we can find the value of x square. This is the sum of percentage. We can find the difference in percentage and move on. This sum can also be given with help of fractions. Please try to understand that also. Instead of giving 80%, they can give you 4 by 5. Instead of giving 125%, they can give you 5 by 4. Means Ayushri is supposed to find 4 by 5 of a number, but by mistake she calculated 5 by 4 of a number. And thus the answer obtained is 81 more than the correct answer. My genuine request would be, if you can very correctly convert fractions into percentages, life at calculation becomes really very easy. Now it is simply 125 minus 80, that is 45%. 45% of a number is equals to 81. 9 5, 9 20, 5 9 and 520. Now 9 goes 9 times. That means value of x is 180. This is such a simple thing if we can convert our fractions into percentages. If it is given in percentages, it is fine. If it is given in fraction, try to convert into percentages, then calculation time really lowers down. Now find the value of x square. X square is 180 whole square. 18 square is 324 and then 2 zeros. Option B fits in. As said, probability you will find 2 to 3 questions from. Sunena draws 2 cards without replacement. That means combination trick can be used from a pack of 52 cards. So total number of cases would be 52 C2. That is 52 into 51 by 2. 51 into 26. 6, 30 and 2, 32, 3 and 10, 1, 3, 2, 6 cases. What is the probability that she draws both red cards? PA is drawing both red cards. We have got 26 reds card. So we are just looking out for the favorable cases. 26 C2, that is 26 into 25 by 2, n into n minus 1 by 2, 25 into 13. 15 1, 6 7, 12 1, and this is 325. Or one card king and one ace. So case B is one card king. We have got 4 kings, 4 C1, and one card ace. We have got 4 aces. 4 into 4 is, these are 16 cases. Now we know that probability of A or B is given by PA plus PB minus probability of A and B. That is the common part. Now, both reds and one card king, one card ace. We know that 2 king cards are red in color and 2 ace cards are also red in color. That means P A intersection B is 2C1 into 2C1, that is 2 into 2 is 4. So this would be 1 upon 1326 into 325 plus 16 minus 4. So 325 plus 12 is 337. So final answer would be 337 by 1326. But here option is given 337 by 1258. Bingo. None of the above is the answer. We have used here theorem of total probability in case of two events A and B which are not mutually exclusive. Then PA union B or PA or B is given by PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. A intersection B means A and B, that means common cards. Answer here would be 337 by 1326. Numbers and number system, especially the divisibility rule, HCF, LCM, prime numbers, natural number, whole number, composite number, types of number, number classification, n digit, unit digit, remainder theorem, number of factors, number of 0 at the end of factorial n. These are very popular questions with number system which are often asked at CTS, Mphasis and Wipro examination on global AMCAT global platform. So we should practice these kind of questions. This is one of them. A 4-digit number x is the 4-digit number which divided by first 5 prime numbers. What are the first 5 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Leaves remainder 1 in each case. How many such values of x are possible? For that, step is very simple. First, we need to find the LCM of all the divisors. We just need to multiply. 10, 21, that is into 11 is 2, 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2310 is the LCM. Now, the first number, it can be 2310 plus 1, that is 2311. Second number is double of this, 4620 plus 1, 4621. Then again we add up 6930 plus 1, 6931 and into 4, 0, 4, 12, 9240 plus 1, that is 9241. And if I add up 2310, it will be a 5-digit number. So 4 possible values of x are possible, which when divided by 2, 3, 5, 7 or 11 will leave remainder 1 in each case. Option D fits in. What is the sum of greatest pair of twin primes which are below 200? For this we should know twin primes. What do you mean by twin primes? A comma B are said to be twin primes when both A and B are prime numbers and the difference between A and B is 2. Like we have 3, 5. They are twin primes, both are prime numbers and the difference between them is 2. Greatest pair which is below 100 is 71 and 73. And the greatest pair of twin primes which are below 200 is 197 and 199. This, if we can remember, at least please try to remember all the prime numbers between 1 to 200 at least, and also make list of twin primes and go through it, because they can ask you anything. It can be below 100, it can be more than 100, just more than 100, or it is, in this case, it is below 200. So we need the sum of 197 and 199. 197 plus 199 would be 397 minus 1, 396. So option A is the pick here. Now the question on the screen is one of the famous question asked. At any platform, at any company drive, you might find this kind of question. Let's first try to read this and solve this with traditional methods that we know. Due to decrease in 20% of the price of salt, suppose price initially was P, now a decrease of 20% means new price is 0.8p. Radha now buy 25 kg more for rupees 2000. So Radha now buys 2000 by 0.8p. Initially she was buying 2000 by p. Now the difference between these two quantity purchased is equals to 25 kg. It's given. We can solve this and can find the value of p in no time. So we have 20,000 by p. So this is 10 by 8 minus 1, 25. So 2000 by p into 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 by 8 is 25. 2 gone 4. 4 this gone 500. 25, 520 times. So P is rupees 20. The old price of the salt is rupees 20 per kg. Question is, what is the new cost price? New cost price is 0.8p. So 0.8p is 8 by 10 into 20. That is rupees 16 per kg. But can we do this with some other process using this? Not using this traditional method? We can use our rule 1, that is line changing rule in this case. The link for all the rules are given in the description below. Please go through them. Price falls by 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. If P falls by 1 by 5, Q will increase by 1 upon 5 minus 1, that is 1 by 4. That is the rule. If P into Q is constant, P goes by 1 by 5, goes down by A by B, Q will go up by A upon B minus A, that is 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is equivalent to 25 kgs. That means initial purchase was 25 into 4, that is 100 kgs. Initial price was 2000 by 100, that is rupees 20 per kg. New price is 80% of 20, that is rupees 16 per kg. We can do even this without using pen and pencil. Rule 1 is the king. Use it. Option D is the pick. Okay, one more from permutation combination. In how many ways letters of the word tomato be rearranged without repetition such that vowels always come together? They have given us everything. Now we see that we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements, but all are not different. We have got 2T and 2 O's. That means if vowels are not coming together, we have got no restriction. Without repetition, repetition not allowed. Number of ways in which these 6 people can be arranged where 2 T's and 2 O's are there would be factorial 6 by factorial 2 factorial 2. But they have given that vowels always come together. In case of comes together, we use our grouping effect. Grouping effect. Grouping effect formula is factorial n minus g plus 1 into factorial g, where g is the group size. Now if we look, in our case, vowels are coming together. That means we have got 3 vowels. Our group size is of 3. So first of all, let's find that in how many ways we can arrange the word tomato such that 3 vowels are coming together. It should be factorial 6 minus 3 plus 1 into factorial 3, but divided by factorial 2 and factorial 2, as we have got 2 T's and 2 O's. We need to discount off the effects. So this would be factorial 4, that is 24 into factorial 3 is 6, divided by 2 into 2 is 4. So this goes 6 into 6 is 36. vowels always come together. Done. It is 36. So we would be tempted to mark on 36. Great. But we need to look carefully. The word rearranged is given. Whenever the word rearranged is given, our answer is always one less than the answer what we have collected. Rearranged means this particular word cannot come here. Fine. But out of these 36, we can see that these 36 words are those words where O, A, O are coming together. But in the original word, O, A, O are never together. That means in this case, we are not going to subtract -1 and our answer will remain intact as 36. Option A would be the pick. Okay, you can see this question without option. It's all because we are just trying to understand how to solve these kind of questions rather than working out with option. So if these kind of questions appear, then what we are supposed to do? What is the sum of smallest 3-digit number and the largest 4-digit number which is divisible by 24, 15, 21 and 42? We need the LCM of 24, that is 8 into 3, 15, 5 into 3, 21, 3 into 7 and 42, that is 3 into 2 into 7. So 3 we can take out 3, 2 will go out with this 8 into 5 into 7. So we have 40 into 21, that is 840. LCM is 840. That means the smallest 3-digit number which is divisible by 24, 15, 21 and 42, smallest 3-digit number is 840. But we are looking out for largest 4-digit number also. Now we know that largest 4-digit number is 9999. Just divide 9999 by 840. 840 will get 9519. It won't go 2 times. It would be 840, 9, 5 and 7. So remainder would be 759. Just deduct 759 from this. So we'll get 9240. 9240 is the largest 4-digit number which is divisible by 15, 21, 24 and 42, all 4. Now the question is, what is the sum of smallest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number and the largest 4-digit number? Now we can answer it very easily. It is 10,080. Or whatever question they ask, we can answer. If they only ask what is the smallest 3-digit number, answer is 840. Which is the largest 4-digit number, it is 9240. And if sum is asked or difference is asked or product is asked, whatever is asked, we can answer very comfortably now. Okay. The next sample question which has been taken up is from factors. Suppose n is a number, natural number, which can be prime factorized as p1 to the power a1 into p2 to the power a2 into p3 to the power a3, where p stands for prime numbers. Then number of factors of this number is given by a1 plus 1 into a2 plus 1 into a3 plus 1 ... Here they are asking, find the sum of factors of 1260. Now how to find sum of factors? For that, first let us do the prime factorization. 2, 630, 7 would be 90, 9 is 10 and then it is 25. That means 1260 is 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1 into 7 to the power 1. Sum of factors. Sum of factors process is very simple. Here we have got 2 to the power 2, then it would be 1 plus 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 plus 3 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 2, because highest power is 2, into 1 plus 5 to the power 1, into 1 plus 7 to the power 1. This is the SST simple Sundar Tikau method to find the sum of factors. 4, 5, 6, 7 into 13 into 5 plus 1 is 6 into 7 plus 1 is 8. So we have got 91 into 48. 8, 72, 76, 36 and 7 would be 43. So it is 4, 3, 6, 8. That is the sum of factors. But the question asked here is, find the sum of factors not including 1 and the number itself. In these factors of 1260, we will also have 1, 1 and 1, 1260. So sum of factor not including 1 and the number itself would be 4368 minus 1260 plus 1, 1261. That would be 3107, and that would be the answer. But these are the processes where different kind of question can be asked. They can ask you just find the number of factors of 1260. So number of factors in this case would be, we would be using this formula. Power plus 1 into power plus 1 into power plus 1 into power plus 1. 9 into 4 is 36. So 1260 have got 36 factor. That means there are 36 number which are less than equals to 1260, including 1 and 1260 itself, which can divide 1260 without leaving any remainder. And some of those factors would be 4368. If we exclude the number and the 1, then sum of factors would be 3107. Please do these kind of questions. These are regularly asked. Very beautiful trick questions with how we use mathematics with percentages. Which of the given choices will showcase the effect of increase in a number by a given percent? Increase is always shown or decrease is always shown by multiplicative effect. First, this we should know very clearly. Please go through the master class of percentages. Increase is shown by 1 plus p by 100 and decrease is shown by the multiplicative effect of 1 minus d by 100. So here we need to find that what will be the multiplicative effect if it increases by 27.9%. This 1 plus 27.9 by 100. That is 1 plus 0.279. Multiplicative effect of 1.279 will show us the growth or increase of a number by 27.9%. Option C will fit in this case. If instead of increase they have given decrease, then it should be 1 minus 27.9 by 100. 1 minus 0.279. That will be 0.721. If it is decrease in the number is by 27.9%, then the effect will be showcased by the multiplicative effect of 0.721. So please keep in mind, whenever we have to show the effect of increase or decrease in percentage, it's always a multiplicative effect. In the case of increase, it is 1 plus p by 100. In case of decrease, it is 1 minus d by 100, which is also known as survival rate. That how much is survived. If it decreases by 27.9, then it survived by 0.721 or 72.1% of the previous. Option C is the pick. Let's see the next one. Okay, a question from a squared number. A number is said to be a squared number if something like its factor 1 to the power or into factor 2 to the power, or like prime factors we can say. If all these powers are even, then this number will be a square number. So x is 2178, x into y is a square number. So let us first do the prime factorization of 2178. 210 and then is 1689. Then you can divide this by 9, 1, 2, 1, and then it would be 11, 11. So x is 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 2. Now x into y is a squared number. That means value of y, the smallest possible value of y, should be equals to 2, because this power is odd. To make it even, we just need one more 2. This is even, settled. Here we need the power 2. The smallest even number is 2. We need one more 2. So if we multiply x by y equals to 2, we can get x into y is a squared number. So here none of the above options should fit, because answer is 2. Which of the following numbers is nearest to 36500, which is divisible by 367? Okay, either we can divide this and then find the coefficient, and then we can work out we need to go to the left or the right. But here we can do it 367. So the next number 36700 into 100 if I do. And into 99 would be 36700 minus 367. That would be 33336. So we have got 36333. This is 99 times 367 and this is 100 times 367. Here the difference is of 200 and here we can see the difference is of 167. That means 36333 is the number which is nearest to 36500, which is divisible by 367. Option A is the pick. Harbadi mein, please don't mark on 36700. Please just check which one is nearer, 36700 or a multiple which is just before 36700. Rajni spends 4/5 of her monthly salary on food, rent and clothing. I love converting fractions into percentages. 80% out. 3/20 of her salary is deposited in fixed deposit. 3/28 means 15% out. You can very easily calculate. That means 95% of the salary is out. Remaining is 5%. And remaining 1200 is available with her as cash in hand. That means 5% of the salary is 1200. That goes 20 times. Rajni's salaries is 1200 into 20. That is 24,000. Now, here the word monthly is also given. So this is 24,000 per month. What is her annual salary? Annual salary should be 24,000 into 12. Not this 24,000. Answer is none of the above. Because answer is 24,000 into 12. Question asked is what is her annual salary? Please don't mark on 24,000 without reading the question properly. Question is what is her annual salary? And this is all given about the monthly salary. She's saving 1200 per month, which is 5% of her salary of that particular month. So 24,000 is per month salary. Annual salary is 24,000 into 12, which is not given in any of the option. Answer E fits in. I've deliberately taken up this example also so that we can also go through the circular permutation. So whenever we have n different objects which we need to arrange in a circular pattern, and those are like non-living objects, that can be done in factorial n minus 1 by 2 ways. But if group effect is also there which need to be considered, that suppose G is the group size, you know what is group size, we have done this in one of the previous sample question in this particular session. Then the formula will become n minus G plus 1 minus 1 into factorial G by 2. Just remember this. In how many ways 8 different beads, bingo, this is the case, can be strung to form a circular garland so that 4 particular beads are always together. So we have n equals to 8, G equals to 4, and we would be using this formula straight away. 8 minus 4 plus 1 minus 1 factorial into factorial 4 by 2. gone. Factorial 4 is 24 into 24 by 2. So this would be 24 into 12, 240, 48. That is 288. Yes, that we have in option B. Sanju has cubic blocks of height 12 inches. Okay, these are the blocks with Sanju. Height is 12 inches. And Pinky has blocks of height 8 inches. Sanju requires X blocks, X number of blocks, and Pinky requires Y number of blocks so that each can build an equal height structure. Okay. Find the minimum value of X plus Y. Since we are looking out for minimum value, we are actually looking out for LCM of 12 and 8. 12 is 4 into 3 and this is 4 into 2. So LCM is 24. To make a 24 inches structure, Sanju would require 2 blocks. 12 and 12 is 24. That means X would be 2. And Pinky would require 8, 8, 8. That is 3 blocks. So Y would be equals to 3. So minimum value of X plus Y should be equals to 2 plus 3. That is 5. Option B is the best fit. The HCF of two numbers is 15. That means the two numbers are 15x and 15y, and x and y are co-prime. Which of the following option can never be the LCM? For the number which is 15x and 15y such that x and y are co-prime, their LCM should be 15 into x into y. That means LCM should be multiple of 15 straight away. 45 is 15 into 3, 75 is 15 into 5, 135 is 15 into 9, but 125 is not divisible by 15. That means their LCM can never be 125. And the trick is, if HCF of two numbers is known, then LCM has to be multiple of the HCF. Clear? Your answer is 125. Now is the turn of time and work. From time and work, time, speed, distance, out of 25 questions, you may expect at least 3 to 4 questions. Very easily. But simple questions. You must go through Rule 8, the CM rule from our rule book. You know the link is there in the description below. Please go through it to dwell deeper and do time and work questions in no time. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B and C can do the same work in 25 days and 40 days respectively, working alone. How long will it take if all three of them works together? We'll use Rule 8 CM rule, and it's very simple. Or else, if you are using the traditional rule, you can also find the answer. In that case, it would be 1 upon 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25 plus 1 by 40, and indulge yourself in tedious calculation. Or simply just give me the common multiple of 15, 25 and 40. It is 5 into 5 into 3 into 8. That's it. 5 into 5 into 3 into 8. 25 into 24. 22. This is 8. 22. 600. Yeah, yes. Now 600 by 15 is 40. 600 by 25 is 24. And 600 by 40 is 15. Just add this up. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. That means time taken by A, B and C, if they are working together, would be simply 600 by 79 days. Now we need to check. It is coming as 79. Bingo. It is not divisible. It is 29. It is 29. Answer should be none of the above. Now, Cognizant's favorite is log. From logarithmic algebra, you might find 2 to 3 questions in simplification or simple log logic, whatever. Simple formula, even. So, log 2500 can be written as what? And if no base is given, base is always considered as 10. So, this is log base 10, 2500, or log base 10, I can write this as 25 into 100. Log 25 is 5 square plus log 100 is log 10 is square, that is 2. So it would be 2 log 5 plus 2. But here all answers are given in log 2. Okay. So let us convert this log 5. Log 5 is actually log 10 by 2, which is 1 minus log 2. So it would be 2 into 1 minus log 2 plus 2. That would be 2 minus log 2 plus 2, or 4 minus 2 log 2, 4 minus 2 log 2. Do we have this in any option? 4 minus 2 log 2. So we will select what? 4 minus 2 log 2. None of the above, because answer is 4 minus 2 log 2. 4 means 10,000 and 2 log 2 log 4. Yes, it is 2500. Bingo. It has to be 4 minus 2 log 2. Option E or none of the above fits in. Do practice more of logarithmic algebra question, because in CTS you will find these kind of questions. An entire session on log, surds, indices, masterclass has already been there on the channel. Link is there in the description. Please go through it if you want to dwell deeper with the basics and the concepts of logarithmic algebra and surds and indices. If log 3 is this, find the value of log 300. Again, base is not given, then we'll consider this as natural base of 10. So it would be log base 10, 3 into 100. Or log 3 plus, and we know that log 100 is 2. So it would be simply 2.47712125 that we have in option B. Two to three questions from simple interest and compound interest. I'm taking up this as an example of simple interest. Please practice more of simple interest, compound interest. Out of 25, 2 to 3 questions are from simple interest and compound interest. In 15 years, the simple interest earned, simple interest is PRT by 100. Simple interest earned on rupees X, that is P, is rupees 2X. That means simple interest is 2X, principal is X, rate percent is R, and time is 15 years. Find the value of R. We can calculate very easily. 5, 20. So R is 40 by 3. That would be 39.33%. Yes, 13.33%, where it is none of the above. Find the unit digit of this expression. You might get any expression for which they may ask you to find the unit digit. Rule is very simple. Whatever the number is given, just concentrate on the last digit of the number, and whatever power is given, just concentrate on the last 2 digits of the power. Divide that by 4 and find the remainder. And then just find the last digit of L to the power R. If remainder is 1, this new power will become 1. If remainder is 2, new power will become 2. If remainder is 3, new power will become 3. And if remainder is 0, new power will become 4. Just this is the small thing which we need to remember. That's it. Like we'll do here. 3 to the power 34. 34 when divided by 4 leaves remainder 2. That means we are looking out for large digit of 3 squared, that is 9. So large digit of 3 to the power 34 is nothing but 9. Why? Because after every 4 powers, the last digit repeats itself. It follows the cycle of 4. That's why we just divide the power by 4 and look out for the last digit. 3 to the power 35, when divided by 4, remainder would be 3. That is 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, last digit would be 7. 3 to the power 36. 36 is fully divisible by 4. That means remainder would be 0. And it said that when remainder is 0, power will become 4. 3 to the power 4 is 81. Yes. And that means last digit of 3 to the power 4 is 1. Now, what is the last digit of 9 plus 7 plus 1? That is 17. When we add up, we get last digit at 7. So, last digit of the entire expression is 7. That is option A. Follow the simple rule. Whatsoever the number is given, look out for the last digit of the number. Whatever be the power given, look out for the last 2 digits of the power. L upon 2D. Divide this 2 digit by 4 and find for the remainder. If remainder is 1, 2, 3, 0, your new power will become 1 or 2, 3 or 4 and then find the last digit. That's it. Your answer is A7. How our sample question set can go without a question from time, speed and distance? Please go through rule 9. Hacking the averages. Link is there in the description below, you know that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel and you have reached till this point, isn't it now it's also become your duty to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and discuss. If like हम मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ी सी आप हमें भी कुछ रिटर्न में दे दो. Now how to find the average speeds? A car travel 300 km thrice. 300 km means distance traveled is same. At the speed of 200 kph, 300 kph and 240 kph respectively. What is the average speed of the car over the entire journey of 900 km? We can use our simple direct formula rule using rule 9, averages. When the distance covered in different segment is same, average speed is nothing but harmonic mean of the speeds given. That means in this case it would be 3 upon 1 by S1 plus 1 by S2 plus 1 by S3. So now it is 200, 300 and 240. 220 into 10, 30 into 10, 24 into 10, if we see 480, 480, not making sense much, 4800, chalo. So average speed would be 3 into 4800. Then 4800 by 200 would be 24. 4800 by 3 would be 16. And 4800 by 240 would be 20. Done. So average speed is 3 into 4800 by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Gone to 240. Bingo. That is the quickest process to find harmonic mean. 240 km per hour is the average speed. Option B. Please go through rule 9 once again to go through all the different formulas which we use under different circumstances to find average speed. Okay, one from arithmetic again, and I guess it is from partnership. Let's see. Amar started business with rupees 27 lakhs. And Bharat joined him after 3 months with rupees X. At the end of the year, that means A money is invested for 12 months and B's money is invested for 12 minus 3 because he joined after 3 months for 9 months. They divided the profit in the ratio of 3:2. It is just weighted investment, which is investment into number of months of holding, is equals to the ratio in which the profit or loss are divided. If we solve this, we can find the value of X. And the question is how much money was invested by Bharat. Bingo. 9, 3 gone here. X is 12 into 2, that is 44 lakhs. 24 lakhs. 24 lakhs, yes, that we have in option C. Okay, so the last question in this particular sample exercise, I believe that you people must be going through these kind of questions because you will end up getting similar kind of questions. A disclaimer, there is nothing to be taken up from these samples, because these are just the question which I'm solving for you people to help you out clear your aptitude test. Don't believe that these are the only question you will be getting. You might be getting different question, but if you practice the similar kind of question, you will always end up in a good position while solving question at the exact examination. So let's see this one. A basket contains 6 brown marbles and some black marbles. That means total we have 6 plus x marbles. The probability of choosing a black marble, is half than that of probability of choosing a brown marble. Now probability of choosing black marble is x upon 6 plus x, which is equals to half of 6 upon 6 plus x. If we solve this, we'll get x is equals to 3. Find the number of black marbles in the basket. We have got x black marble. 3 black marbles are there in the basket. Option B is the best fit here. So on this note, thank you everyone for participating. It's Mohit Jain signing out from MJ's Maths and Stats as MJ Magic Studio to you. And please let us know in the chat box that if you want to go through any sample question or you want to know the pattern of any company, please let us know in the chat box so that I can prepare that and bring it on the next session. These questions are frequently asked, these kind of questions at CTS, Wipro or Mphasis examination. Please go through it, but remember, you will never get these kind of questions. These all are just sample thing to let you know how to do these kind of questions. So on this note, I'm signing off and I'll see you soon. Thank you everyone.